Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating Gabby's nails or Hello Black Child, and I'm going to be using 4 products. I actually can't choose between pink and light pink from 𝐁𝐻𝐸𝐬𝐬. I think light pink is so beautiful, but we might just have to go with pink because I think it matches her set perfectly. Now this is a very pink video because my nail brush, also from 𝐁𝐻𝐸𝐬𝐬, is so pink. Like, it's literally my favorite. It's too pretty. You guys know I love this. Now with Gabby's nail, she used a fur puff ball as her nail art on the top, which I think is so cute. But I don't have that, so I'm gonna use my kawaii nail charms. I can't pick between them right now, but we'll decide later on towards the end. I'm like so sport for choice. But first guys, before we get into it, I've got a surprise for you. I bought a silicone practice finger from Amazon. Now this finger, I love it so much, honestly. I'll have a link down below in the description box. My little sister, my little brother, they love it, but my mom is so freaked out by it. She thinks it's so creepy because it's so realistic. I like that it's realistic because obviously I want to use it for YouTube shorts and all sorts of practice and stuff like that, but it is actually realistic. It's so soft. It's really flexible. My only issue with it is that it only comes with 2 half cover nail tips. If I was to apply it how it's meant to be applied, which is like halfway up the nail bed, I'm a bit like, ugh, it's a bit inconveniencing. For one, I've only got 2. I'll have to apply the product on the nail bed, which I don't want to do. So I was thinking I could push it all the way up and have it act like the actual fingernail, but then it's a bit flimsy, like it keeps lifting off. So I might have to buy myself some full cover nail tips. But yeah guys, that's literally just a little finger I'm like trying to deal with right now and figure out. Oh, by the way, I'm having freeze pops. This flavor is summer fruits. I got it from Aldi if anyone cares. I'm just gonna be sucking on this while I apply my nail tips and prep my nails. So for my nail tips, I just glued 2 nail tips on top of each other so it can be extra long. I didn't really shape it too thin to make it like stiletto because I wanted to make room for my nail art, and then when I'm done applying all my poly gel, I'm just gonna shape it real nicely, you know. Now for the nail art, it's super easy. Literally anyone can do it. Just apply base coat and then scatter on the hearts and all that however you want, in whatever order, whatever colors. Now I'm gonna be adding my chunky glitters from 𝐁𝐻𝐸𝐬𝐬. I'm only gonna be using the iridescent one because I don't want to take away from the pinks and the purples or do too much, because if you see Gabby's nails, they're really simple. Do you know what? I think I'm gonna have the video where I unbox this 𝐁𝐻𝐸𝐬𝐬 kit in the cards above because I really love that video. It's pretty short, it's to the point, and like it's one of my favorite videos I filmed, so go check that out guys. Now for the nail art, I'm also gonna be adding some lips or kisses. I'm not sure what to call it honestly. I think because this glitter box is from like the Valentine's Day theme, I believe the lips are actually just meant to be kisses, and I'm just gonna scatter them into the nail art just to add a little bit of something extra, you know. Guys, let me tell you a story time, and this is a treat for everyone that's like watching my video all the way through. Okay, so these nails, I literally did them and filmed on Thursday night. I started at like 9 o'clock, almost 10, and I finally finished like 4 in the morning because I took my sweet time. I put a sermon on, a few of Pastor 𝐁𝐿𝐬's sermons, and you know he does like some really lengthy ones if you've ever watched him. And when his sermons were done, I started playing my Bible out in audio, like just to keep me going for the night. And guys, it was like a normal day, normal filming. When I finished at like 4:30 or something like that, I got in bed, and because I wasn't sleepy yet, because I literally had a cup of coffee like before I started, I think like it hadn't flushed through my system, I was still awake a bit. And then I said, okay, let me get some editing done to like pass the time. So I edited the shorts that I made for this set, and like that was that. And I finally got to sleep at like, let me say 6:30, almost 7 in the morning. And I thought, okay, it's Friday, I'm gonna sleep all through Friday, obviously Saturday, Sabbath, and like the only task I had in my mind on Friday was to edit this video I'm editing right now. Okay, so I've gone off to sleep now, and I kept my phone by the side of my bed, so it was like by my head but like on the bedside. And then I'm woken up with a phone call, unknown number. Tell me why. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and it's my landlady. She's called me and she's like, you've got to move, like you have to move like today, I'm like, huh? Literally sleep all in my eyes, I'm not even awake, I'm like sleep talking. I'm like sleep talking. I'm like, what do you mean? Like I literally just moved in. Like if you watch my previous video, like the nail haul, yeah, the nail haul, I'll have a link to the card so you can watch me like talk about how I moved in, and literally a month I think no, I'll say like maybe 2 months I've been in that property. She's like, you've gotta move today, we're at the house, wherever you are, come back home and like start packing. I'm like, whoa, what's going on? Like, you know, first thing in the morning, like my voice isn't like, you know, all croaky. I'm like, what's going on? Like, da da da. She's like, you gotta come home, pack. There was like a problem with the property, like I had to leave, and they were like rehousing me, putting me somewhere else. Guys, tell me why. I got up, these nails were still on. You see how long they are? Lengthy. I packed all my things. Bear in mind, I'm so happy because I hadn't spread myself out too much because I only just moved in. My stuff wasn't all over the place. I really just had to pack up my room and the kitchen, and thank God I was running out of groceries because you see it was like towards the end of the week, so I was running out of groceries anyways. And then she put me in a car, and then there was another guy, and they moved me to like another house, another one of her properties. And guys, so first of all, she had to go and get the room and that ready for me in the new house which was moving me to. And while she was gone, she was like, oh, you got all this time now like to pack, you haven't got long though, but like be ready when we get back. So guys, tell me why she was gone. I pulled out my Bible, I started reading out like verses, praying like, oh God, like get me out of this, help me, deliver me. I was like, God help me. I was just praying. I was like, God, I trust you. Like, you're gonna see me through, you're gonna keep me safe. I was just praying because I didn't know what was going on, guys. Bear in mind, I just woke up. Anyways, so she moved me to the house, and guys, tell me why the house is like 10 times better than the house I was staying in. Like, it's so nice, so modern, so like I love it, honestly. It's got like a nice grey wood floorboards, like on white walls, like it's grey doors, big grey doors. It's like real nice modern aesthetic. Like I love it. I don't know if I want to do like give you guys like a little house tour. I don't think I will, but guys, honestly, just thank God for me because it was about to be like a scary weekend. You guys have no idea. We're still trying to sort things out, like talk about what's going on and where I'm gonna stay and like permanently, like type of thing, because all this wasn't my fault. Like it was out of my control. So guys, thank God for me, honestly. God is too good, because this type of house is a type of house I've been like dreaming about and praying for, like personally, and like she just moved me in. I'll keep you guys up to date, but make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss like my updates and stuff like that. Literally, I'm so excited, I'm so happy, I'm so grateful, because like it literally took my appetite. Like, I couldn't eat, I didn't know what was going on, but like I'm all right now. I'm back to eating a little bit. Like I had some noodles today. So that's enough talking from me, guys. Enjoy some music, enjoy the nails. I'll see you towards the end.
We were sitting in a parked car, talking about anything we want. That's when you stole my heart. I wish that summer never stopped. We drive around till midnight, hoping we wouldn't get caught. No matter how far we went, we'd end up in a parking lot. We were just two kids in love, so unexperienced, living in the present, no clue where we were heading. Dim glow from the street lights, painted yellow across your face, staring in your emerald eyes, but I had nothing to say. Your eyes flashed through the darkness as you sang me old songs. I felt your love embrace me, and I knew you're where I belong. We were just two kids in love, so unexperienced, living in the present, no clue where we were heading. No clue where we were heading. We broke up a year later, but I just couldn't cope. Drinking was my savior. I became someone you wouldn't know. I saw you out on Broad Street, and I avoided you at all costs. Didn't want you to have proof that without you I was lost. Just a kid who lost love, a new experience, haunted by my past, wishing we could go back, wishing we could go back.
here back in the car on the way to your apartment. I thought by now I'd see it clearer, but what I need isn't the same as what I'm wanting. 'Cause whenever I'm feeling down, I lean right into my demons. Oh, yeah, I wish I could turn around, knowing I'm better off leaving. Oh, I'm a good catch, I just got some bad habits lighting up the wrong match.
If you watched the video all the way to the end, thank you so much. I love you. And I love you so much, Gabby, if she sees this video, by the way. Guys, if you see this and you know Gabby, go tell her that I recreated her nails and I love her so much. The nails are so beautiful. I'm so in love with them. They came out so pretty. Thank you all for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.